I am going to show you how you can post your child's portfolio for their homework when they do their homework picture. So when you open the Dojo app, you'll see right up in the corner, it'll show like your profile picture. If you click on that, it should bring up it should probably bring up your account and then your student's account. And if you click on your child's name, so I'll click on Kinsley, it should bring up her little page here. I know it's kind of hard to see on the screen. But then right here in the middle, where it says Mrs. Casper's class, it'll say points and it'll say activities. And it shows that Kinsley has one activity. So she clicks on it. Right here, it'll say letter 8. I have assigned that activity to him. And if you click on it, click on the little camera, it'll bring up the link to the video where you can watch the options. Or if you've watched the options, you're ready to take the picture, you can hit start. And if you've already taken the picture, you can click down here and it'll bring up your photo album on your phone, or you can take the picture live right there. You can just take the picture. And if that's the picture that you want, then you'll hit the check mark up here and you can send it to me. Stop. And it'll show that it's pending. And then on my part, I'll be able to accept it and it'll add to their portfolio. And if that doesn't work for you, you can always send me just a message through Dojo with the picture as well.